add or delete a title in a chart, follow the steps shown on the screen. I will follow these steps to add a title to the chart shown on the screen. I first click the chart. Notice that when the chart is clicked, a new set of tabs named Chart Tools is displayed. The new tabs are Design and Format. Second, I select the tab Design. Third, I click on Add Chart Element. Fourth, I click Chart Title. Fifth, I select the option Above Chart. As you can see, the chart title is placed above the chart. Finally, I enter the title by clicking Chart Title and deleting its text. I type in Sales 2014. Now to delete the chart title, repeat steps 4 and 5. So, I click Chart Title, then I select the option None. As you can see, the chart title is deleted.